Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to wish you, each and every one of you out there, a very happy new year, and I hope you had an amazing start to this year 2018, and I wish and hope that all your prayers and all your wishes should come true and everybody should be filled with positivity. And I wish that everybody this year should succeed in their careers, in their personal life, and they should reach all the goals that they've set for themselves. And I hope this year brings a lot of prosperity, success in each and every one of our lives. On that good note, I would like to say that today's video is gonna be a super easy, laid back 10 minutes New Year's glam look. This look right here. I've used most of Wet n Wild products because I wanted to review these products from a long time. It's gonna be like first impressions and also review. So I bought this makeup from Wet n Wild last year and I couldn't get around to film a video on it, but I thought why not just make it a 10 minutes glam look for this New Year's and just have fun about it. Nothing too crazy guys, no contouring, no bronzing. It's just like an easy glam that you can do under 10 minutes or even 5 minutes if you're quicker. All the products that I've been using on my face, I'm going to list it down below in the description box, even with the links to the products. So make sure to check that out if you want to get any of this stuff for yourself. So if you want to know how to achieve this look and also my thoughts and impressions on the makeup, so stay tuned. So I've already done my base and I've used like a couple of foundations. Both are from Maybelline. One is Dream Satin and the other one is Maybelline Fit Me. I like to mix up tones because I feel I can get the best of both. And then I'm going to leave the mixture of my foundations and my entire base information in the description box below. So let's just quickly get started. For the eyes, I'm going to start with this trio from Wet n Wild, and it's in the shade Walking on Eggshells or E380B. So it's like pretty neutrals, which are my favorite. I'm usually a neutrals person. I don't like bold makeup on my eyes except for intense kajal, if you can say, but it says eyelid, crease and brow bone. So I'm going to do the exact look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this and then dip or just like slightly sweep the color and then tap off the excess. It's a bit powdery, but then it's picking up the pigment really well. It's a pretty shimmery shade guys, so it's like a soft bone color. I'm gonna pick up this crease shade on the brush, tap off the excess and then put it on my crease. These colors are blending quite well, so I'm really happy. Since I have like a hooded eye, it's a tip that you always open your eyes and then apply the pigment. In that case, you'll be able to see where actually the crease is, and then you can put it up a little higher than your fold so that it actually looks like you have a crease, even though we have super hooded eyelids. So I quickly grabbed my Maybelline Nudes palette because I wanted a little bit of more depth in the outer corners. So I'm going to grab this dark brown or bronzy shade and then slightly going to put it on my outer crease. I'm going to grab this dark brown shade right here and mix it with this brown. Tap off the excess and then put it in my crease. Yep, that's what I was thinking about. And then I also have this eyeliner pencil from Wet n Wild. It's actually quite long when compared to the other eyeliners, and I haven't opened any of these products. Opening these things are like a challenge. Okay, I don't want to open or even try opening the entire package because that's a bit of a headache. I'm just slightly going to warm the product. Ooh, it's super creamy guys, it's very creamy. So I'm going to apply it in my waterline. It's not going that creamy on the waterline as it's going on back of my hand. And I forgot to tell you the shade, it's Pretty in Mink. First impressions, this pencil is not that creamy as it goes on your back of your hand, because when I tried to apply it on my waterline thinking that it will give me the intense color in just one swipe, it didn't. I had to go back and forth like 6 or 7 times to get this intensity. But then I love the color and the texture of it. It doesn't crumble on your waterline. I really like how it applied and The formula I'm really happy with, and then I applied it a little bit on my upper lash line as well to give it like that almond effect. It went on smooth but not super creamy. I'm going to use this dark color right here and try to set that eyeliner in place. Now I'm going to add the brow bone highlight using this brush. They're quite powdery, you get a lot of kickback. Did good. So there's that one eye done, and I'm quite happy with how it turned out. I've also got mascara from Wet n Wild. It's the Mega Protein Waterproof Mascara. I'm going to curl my eyelashes first. Just see how this works. I don't know if you guys can see it, but then if I look up, you can see how well it coated my eyelashes, and then it gave me the length. Usually my eyelashes are super lengthy, and whenever I try to curl them, the curl doesn't stay no matter what I do. But this mascara feels so weightless, and it's liquidy, like it's not that thick how you find in regular mascaras. This is very thin formula, and then I like the way it applied on my eyelashes. Let me just go ahead and finish the other end and be right back. Alrighty, now that I'm back with both my eyes done, quick first impressions on the eye makeup so far. I really love all the products, especially this eye makeup kit. It goes on really smooth, it's not patchy at all. It is a little bit powdery, you get a lot of kickback, but then make sure you tap off your brush. The mascara, I'm a huge fan of this mascara, even though it's not like crazily giving me any volume or anything. It is doing the job of evening out my lashes and then coating them evenly, and they're separated, they're not clumpy. In Mink, it's super good. Like, I really love the shade and how it applied on my eyes. It's not creamy, you don't get the intense color payoff in the first swipe itself. You need to go back and forth like at least 6 or 7 times, but once you do that, you're left with this even pigment on your waterline. And I also used it on my top lash line to make it a little more intense, and then I smoked it out with a dark brown shadow from Maybelline Nudes palette, as I showed you earlier. So this is also a huge hit. So far I'm really happy with the makeup. Now let's just quickly add some color and life back to the face, because I'm looking super pale and I don't have any blush on except for my base. So now let's just quickly open this blush. The Wet n Wild blush in the shade, what are you? Mellow Wine. Ooh, it picks up product. Tap up the excess. It is pigmented. You just need the slightest bit. So far I'm in love with every Wet n Wild makeup I'm using on my face so far. And then for highlight, should I go with this highlight from Maybelline's palette? Look how beautiful that is. Yes, 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 yes. I have a lip pencil as well from Wet n Wild, and it's in the shade Willow, E712 Willow. So this is kind of nude. So this is how the shade looks like. I have 2 lipsticks from Wet n Wild. It's their Mega Lash lip color. These are matte lipsticks. Matte lipsticks, a huge fan right here. So I picked up 2 shades in this. These are also like an everyday nudish colors, and one is in the shade In the Flesh and the other one is in the shade Rosebud. I think I'm going to go with the shade Rosebud. Quickly add In the Flesh on top of it because it looks a little light for my liking. Quickly show you the hand swatches of this shade. This shade called In the Flesh. In the Flesh. So this is like nudie mauve brownish undertoned everyday color, and the other one is Rosebud. This is straight your peachy undertoned nude. I'm going to leave the links of each and every product that is on my face, and I featured in this video in the description box below, so make sure to check that out for links. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please give a huge thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And then once you subscribe, make sure to press on the bell icon to get notified every single time I upload a video. Yeah, join the squad and help me in building up my channel, and let me know what kind of content you would like to see here. See you guys in my next video.